Hello viewers, we'll be going over UGAZ and DGAZ. In this video, we'll be using the day-by-day probability model as our support and resistance gauges, and these models are based on past trends that are similar to the current trend but not identical, so do keep that in mind. So let's start off with the technical analysis for UGAZ. Today we're down 4.3% on the 1 hour chart. We are now approaching to negative MACD. As for the 4-hour chart, what we have here, we saw a divergence on the 4-hour MACD, and we may close below the 18 moving average. And if we extend that further onto the daily chart, we see a convergence, the 9 moving average converging onto the 18-day moving average, the blue and purple line respectively. This is now a total sign that a reversal is in play. Ideally, we want to see the price bounce right off of the 9-day moving average, the blue line, and we make higher lows and higher highs as well. So let's head back to the day-by-day probability model. So as we progress to the 7th day, we have a 11% chance for UGAZ to climb higher between 0 to 38%, and on the extreme case to the upside, we have a 22% chance for UGAZ to climb higher between 38% to 77%. And to the downside, we have a 44% chance for UGAZ to fall between 0 to 39% and a 22% chance for UGAZ to fall further between negative 38% to negative 77%. We'll be using up 38% and down 38% as our support and resistance levels. So if UGAZ were to climb 38%, that price level is roughly around, say, the 50-day moving average, this yellow line, at around a price of $14.80. And let's see if we see previous support levels, and we do. We found previous support levels that date back all the way to May 15th at around a price, again, of $14.90. And since we're below support, that will now act as our resistance. So now to the downside, if you guys were to fall 38%, that price movement is, or price level is roughly around the price of $6.57, fairly close to where we made all-time lows of $6.75. So that is our support. So let's head to DGAZ. DGAZ is currently up 1%, and as for the 1 hour chart, what we have here is now approaching to positive MACD on the 1 hour MACD. As for the 4 hour MACD, we see a slight convergence to the upside and a slight reversal on the 9 moving average. As for the daily chart, what we have here, we were overbought earlier last week, and we are finding temporary support on the 18-day moving average, this purple line. And it's a bit concerning if the 9-day moving average does converge onto the 18, and we may average higher lows, or I should say lower highs, and we overall head into a downtrend. So let's examine DGAZ. So as we progress, so on the day-by-day probability model, as we progress to the 7th day, we have a 33% chance for DGAZ to climb higher between 0 to 29%, and further extreme case to the upside, we have a 70% chance for it to climb between 58% to 88%. And to the downside, we have a 50% chance for DGAZ to fall between 0 to negative 29%. We'll be using up 29% and down 29% as our support and resistance levels. So if DGAZ were to climb 29%, that price movement or price level is roughly around the range of, say, it is around $532, and to the downside, 29% has a price level of, say, $294.60, and we see that range as previous resistance levels, and since we're above resistance, that now act as our support. And the models are now available in the link below, so do check it out. If you enjoyed its content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.